How do you exactly make changes? User permissions, changing user permissions. First, please turn off the machine completely. Currently, all the blue ones have permissions and can be adjusted. This means these four all have permissions. The gray ones don't have permissions assigned. Alright, let's switch to the administrator. Switch to administrator. Because only the administrator can grant permissions to other users. The administrator has the highest level of permissions. Click on Settings, Printer, User. Now, let's proceed to select an operator. Specifically, we will take away some of the operator's existing permissions and then make several important changes to their configuration. Grayscale, everyone, grayscale test print. We won't give them this permission. Let's remove it as well. Power on and off permissions. They're okay. I wasn't logged in as the operator just now. Temptation. Alright, now we no longer have the power on-off button here. This one has become grayscale printing, and this one can no longer be adjusted. It's grayed out and can't be adjusted.